Cause number CR 25-88, CR 25-263, State versus Joshua Andrew Ibarra for docket call and motion to revoke.
Yes, Judge. So this is the same announcement as I had with Mr. Peck. I have not had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Ibarra about the lack of response from the DA's office, and so I'm not sure if he would like to proceed to jury selection or if he would like to continue negotiations on the case. I would note that we are only on our third setting for CR 25-263 and have tried to keep that moving despite requesting that additional information.
What's your election?
Judge, if I may just have a brief moment to speak to my client.
Yes, sir. I'll just mute right here. I got you.
Stating Mr. Ibarra on my most recent information, he would request one additional setting for us to negotiate a resolution in CR 25-88 and hopefully get a universal resolution that would take care of both of those matters.
Do you want to set that on the evidentiary docket, MTA docket for the April 30th, or do you want further out like May 28th?
Judge, if we're unable to reach a agreement on April 30th, would the court expect us to go forward and proceed with a contested motion to revoke at that point in time?
I would give you an additional reset.
Okay, then Judge, let's set it for April 30th.
Okay. All right, court says Mr. Ibarra in both cases, April 30th. Final docket call on CR 25-263 and motion to adjudicate. Cause number CR 22-357, State versus Jodine Walters Lewis. State's motion to revoke.
Yes, Judge. I was just recently appointed on Miss Lewis's case. I may just have just a moment.
Yes, sir.
We would request to be set on April 30th and request a copy of the motion to adjudicate, motion to revoke for me to discuss with. I have it right here. We request to be set on April 30th for this motion to revoke.
All right, that request is granted. The court sets Ms. Lewis for a motion to revoke hearing April 30th at 1:30.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, next ready on Miss Wagner.
CR 25-258, State versus Tamar Lynn Wagner. I believe she's set for motion to revoke.
Yes, Judge. I've met with Miss Wagner previously and discussed the only count on her motion to revoke is a new offense, alleged new offense out of Kaufman or Terrell. I've requested the information from the DA's office, and I believe they've already put in a request to get that information from Kaufman County. I think we're just waiting at this time to get that information from Kaufman.
Okay, court will set Ms. Wagner again for hearing on the motion to adjudicate April 30th. Ms. Wagner, how far along are you?
I am 26 weeks yesterday.
26 yesterday.
Yeah, so I'm due the second week in July.
Second week in July? Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Next ready on Miss Jennifer Hill.
Ms. Hill, if you'll come forward. This is cause number CR 26-13, State versus Jennifer Aaron Hill for arraignment.
Judge, if I may have a moment to go over the indictment with Miss Hill.
Yes.
Judge, Ms. Hill's name is spelled correctly. She understands the charges against her as well as the range of punishment, and requests her case be set for pretrial and discovery be released on this case.
All right, court will find that she has waived the formal requirements of arraignment, enters her plea of not guilty into the record, sets this matter for pretrial hearing on April 30th. 1:30.
Judge,
All right, we're back on record. Cause number CR 24-307, State versus Philip Andrew Ogletree. Go ahead, Mr. Main.
Judge, my client would, after providing him the information that was provided to me by the DA's office yesterday, my client requests that I make one additional attempt at a plea resolution, and if we don't, or if we're unable to resolve it, then we will be setting it for trial.
All right, let's go ahead and set it for the 23rd, April 23rd.
Yes. Yes, Judge.
And that'll be final docket. You ready, Mr. Manning?
Judge.
All right, court call CR 25-153, CR 25-164, State versus Walter Glenn Baird, set for final docket call in each case.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, I was trying to pull up the offer that was conveyed. Mr. Baird has received an offer of 15 TDCJ on CR 25-164, and that would resolve both cases. He has rejected that offer. I've explained to him that a rejection and setting on the jury selection docket may preclude him from reaching any sort of resolution, even if it is better in the future. He said he understood that and requests to be set on the jury selection docket.
Okay, and he understands the full range of punishment for each case, and that he could, if he were to be convicted and sentenced in each case, he could receive consecutive sentences.
Yes, Judge, and as we discussed, as Mr. Baird and I discussed, at his age, that's somewhat irrelevant.
Okay. All right, court finds that Mr. Baird has rejected the offer from the state. Court hereby places Mr. Baird on jury selection docket. We're going to begin that April 6th. This is one that I will definitely special set, and I will send notice of the state to the state in the defense of the special setting once I consult the court's calendar. But you can anticipate a special setting for Mr. Baird.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
Judge, I believe that concludes my business. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Manning. Have a good Easter weekend. Mrs. Abraham, does that conclude everyone that we need to see at the jail?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Well, I thank you, Mr. Hartwell, Mr. Hernandez. Hope everyone has a blessed Easter weekend. We'll see you next week. Court is adjourned.
Thank you, Judge.
Sir, you as well.